Yo, say, the other day when I was doing my video, I was getting ready to upload it. It clicked in my head, I kept calling my sling a strap. And I'm like, I can't, I was tongue twisted. Long day at work, I'm at work right now making this video, but it was a long day the other day when I made the video, and I was like, I cannot get it out. I keep saying strap. I'm like, I don't want to record the video again, even though it ain't that long. But yeah, I do know it's a sling. It was just tongue tied and shit like that. But like I said, it ain't a very expensive sling. I like the way it's set up. I'm gonna see if they got some other ones just to kind of try out, see what I like. I like the color that I'm going with the AR. Got a new muzzle brake that I just ordered. I'm gonna make sure I get that uploaded as soon as possible. Like I said, I'm not sure how many people watch my videos. Like I said, I do it just as a therapeutic thing. Like I said, if you look through my channel, I talk about all different types of stuff. Just my focus is on my ARs and my guns right now. So yeah, dude knew what it was called. Like I said, sling. Like I said, I was just tongue twisted. That's why you see me kept stopping during the video, like, my strap, my strap, my strap, because it was on the tip of my tongue. I'm like, I cannot get this out right now. And I got the major brain fart. But yeah, it is what it is. Y'all know what I am. It's greedy for the bucks. We got Buck here. We got Greedy there. This channel is made for both my bros that passed away. And hey, you know what it is. Yo, just had another item come for my AR pistol. Y'all get to get first looks at it with me. So I don't know, where is my other one at? I think it's in my rifle case. But this connect to them QD mounts that I have on the rifle. Ooh, shit. So once again, you know, gun is empty. Fresh out the safe. See how it worked to it. Cool concept. You tighten that. Don't come off. Like, this is that paracord cable, whatever you want to call it. So I believe this is something that everybody should definitely have for their ARs. Let me see what I think about this one in a second. I'll see what they did. I can say, why that seems extremely short. But again, this goes with my look that I'm going for. It's the red. The red. The red, the red, the red. Y'all can hear my kids in the background. I do apologize. They playing on the damn bunk beds I got them. They don't know about the little monkeys jumping in the bed. Definitely gotta loosen it up some. This was very inexpensive too, so I'm not sure how long. And that's metal too. How long it'll last. And I said I got it literally just to go with the color scheme of the gun. Definitely more loosening. Yeah. Pull down on my arm and tighten it in. I got a little play, go up, pull my arm in, and it tightens right up. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, this is definitely dope. Like I said, everybody talk about AR pistols for like home defense, stuff like that. I got handguns for that. My ARs are strictly, and I mean strictly for pleasure. It's not for home defense for me, because like I said, everybody be like AR pistol, you can't get the distance. I don't care. You shoot somebody at 100 yards, 50 yards. 9 times out of 10, you going to jail. I don't care if they did break in your house. They got out your house and they 50 yards away. Your eye is open, so I'm just stopping it with the glare because my left eye vision ain't that good. So when I try to use both to focus, it really screws me up. My glasses are up there, so I squint one, still see out of it, but it darkens that eye for me. As you can see, it's open. Like I said. Now, I did see, I'm not sure if I'm going to mess with the boat. I think I'm going to leave the boat at what it is. The Springfield boat that they got in there. Don't know the specs of it, but I'm not going to mess with it. But the dust cover, I am going to swap that out. It's going to be a red dust cover. And what else stuff? See that? Oh, the takedown pins. Same company I got the magazine from. I had to think, like, fuck, who I'm talking about. Same person I got the magazine from. They got some red takedown pins. So I'm gonna do the takedown pins in red. They had a dope looking magazine release. I might do that. I'm gonna do the safety selector. And then, who was it? It's not that company, it's another company. Strike Industry. They got a red flash hider. So I'm gonna swap this out because this doesn't hide. I don't know what the fuck this is supposed to do in this Springfield. Because it doesn't flash hide. Like this motherfucker spits fireballs like crazy. It doesn't help keep the gun level, at least in my opinion, compared to other ARs I done shot, AR pistols. It literally does nothing but make hell of a fireballs. But like I said, I'm gonna do the flash hider because of the color of the flash hider. So that's that. Y'all know what it is. It's greedy for the bucks. Sorry I don't go into detail like everybody else. Try to make it sound all sugar coated like boom boom flash boom 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 bang. But yeah, that's not me. Very simple person. And I'm gonna do some more stuff to this one. So again, I like this red dot. People try to talk about sight mark. It didn't held 0 since I got it. I think I actually I like this grip better. But y'all know what it is. It's greedy for the bucks. Go ahead and smash the like, subscribe, and try to drop videos as much as possible as my schedule will let me do. Because like I said, I'm fresh off work now. And I'm just getting here. But I need to find my strap for this one. Let me look in my goddamn gun case. And but yeah, y'all fuck with me. It's greedy for the bucks. I'm out of here.